Nottawasaga Mechanical of Wasaga Beach, Ontario is your #1 choice for all your heating and air conditioning needs. Since 1986, Joe Carr and staff have provided professional sales, service, and installations to Simcoe County and beyond. Nottawasaga Mechanical is proud to employ over 30 local men and women. Not only are they local, but they are fully trained, licensed, and insured to be working in your home. Nottawasaga Mechanical can help you with a number of different home comfort needs, including air conditioners, indoor air quality products, gas fireplaces, and geothermal heat pumps. All of these options are available for your new construction home or in a retrofit application of your existing home. In the rare event that anything ever goes wrong, rest assured that Nottawasaga Mechanical offers 24-hour emergency service to their customers. As a licensed refrigeration mechanic, Joe has based his company on after-the-sale service.
Because at Nottawasaga Mechanical, we deliver comfort.